2023 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.